advanced automation processing the ingredients for success. Since 2009, we have specialized in designing and manufacturing ingredient automation equipment and controls for weighing, dosing, mixing and continuous blending to ensure accurate regulation from grams to tons. Replacement of an old control system is a challenge, especially when the existing system was supplied by another vendor. The customer always asks for the shortest possible shutdown period, and this calls for creative changeover engineering. We worked with this company to develop a SCADA system that provides the complete batch control system for an existing animal feed production line. Operations needed to continue despite electrical alternations, complete batch control system installation, and major control system renovations during peak processing hours. The customer needed to replace another vendor's old control system using the new PLC system, new PCs, new variable speed drives, and some new wing controllers. Because the mill was in production, the replacement project had to minimize any additional shutdown periods. We used the best proven PLC technology from leading manufacturer Allen Bradley to provide reliable automation that minimizes downtime, and this system used more than 10 years without any replacement until the company management change. The new automation equipment allows a single operator to control 21 ingredients and 4 liquids, and offered unparalleled accuracy and speed, providing optimal performance. A single elementary PLC coordinates all facility functions: bin switching, dynamic free-fall compensation, automatic control of heated liquids, operator call for hand aids, recipe management, and batch direction control. Let's discuss the unique way the batch control system works for this system. When the new batch starts, it will ask the operator the series of questions, including the number of batches, product ID number, recipe and supervisor's name. After the questions have been answered, the system automatically sets up the graphics screen and I/O with the correct configuration. Report generation is automatic and provides both detailed and summarized information of batch sizes, time, actual and set point quantities, and inventory information. This project is the answer to the question why it's so difficult and expensive to change the system after some system has been installed. Our clients has learned that advanced automation is the one source for superior automated processing performance.